I'm here with Gene from Sonic Retro. We're going to do a little social experiment here. We're going to see if people will burst out into song if they hear the first couple verses of, or rather first couple lines of Live and Learn. Go.
Live and learn.
Can you feel life?
Can you feel life moving through your mind? Yeah!
Time slipping down your spine.
Ooh, you're trying to come in for more. Yeah! But you can hardly swallow your fears and pain. When you can help but swallow, it puts you right back where you came.
Hanging on the edge of tomorrow. From the world to yesterday. Hey!
Live and learn.
If you make